It's not working.
Why do you suppose that the pizza failed to come off the peel?
In the past, we've always used a metal pizza peel. So this is the first time I used a wood pizza peel, and there was plenty of cornmeal on it. So I thought it would slide off just fine, but we probably took far too long in preparing the pizza because the internet tells us that you should get that pizza off within 30 seconds or a minute, or make sure that it can still move.
Yeah, it took way longer than that for ours.
It was a long time for that. It was 20 minutes.
Well, what about parchment paper? I hear you can use that.
Yeah, that's one of the common ways the internet suggests that you put a parchment under the pizza. When you move it in, you're not going to have the problem with it sticking, but then you pull the parchment paper out partway through baking the pizza, and that seems
wasteful.
It seems wasteful. It does gives you a way not to have any problems.
Yeah,
but I don't really want to do that. I want to figure out a way of just using the peel. This time we tried baking the crust for 10 minutes before assembling the pizza.
That's better. Oops. There. So I wonder if that'll stick. Came off nice the first time. There for a little while. It's kind of sticky, so I'm gonna have to use a spatula to help.
It did not work.
This is try number 3.
Yeah, this is our third try. On the board we have Semola flour and some regular flour rubbed into the board and a little bit of cornmeal. I'm using belt and suspenders. We want to make sure this is moving nice, and we're not going to pre-cook it any. We're going to assemble it and slide it into the oven this time.
Everything's ready to go.
Check it every 30 seconds, make sure it's moving.
Something like that. Sure. Oh, it's better.